morning students, hope you all are fine and healthy at home. Student, in your previous classes you have already done addition of 1 and 2 digit number, but in this video I am going to show you addition of 2 digit number with carrying. So I request all the students to please concentrate on my words very carefully. If you will concentrate on my words, it will be easy for you to understand how to do the addition of 2 digit number with carrying. So let's ready to do it. Student, in first example of addition, we have to add 47 and 26. So students, we all know that while doing addition, we have to first add the ones digit and then tens digit. So students, in the ones digit, we have 7 and 6. So you have to add 7 and 6. If we add 7 and 6, what we will get? We will get 13. So write here 3 and 1 will be carry forward. That means you have to add 1 with tens digit. While completing the addition of ones digit, you have to do addition of tens digit number. So in tens digit, we have 4 and 2. If we will add 4 and 2, we will get 6. Students, remember that we have 1 carry forward and we have to add carry forward number with the tens digit. 4 and 2 makes 6. 6 and 1 forward makes 7. So write here 7. So students, what we have get? We get 73. That means if we add 47 and 26, we will get 73. Students, in the same way, I am going to show you our next example. In the next example, you have to do addition of 53 and 28. Students, the process is same. So, you have to add first ones digit and then tens digit. In the ones digit, we have 8 and 3. So, first add 8 and 3. If we add 8 and 3, we will get 11. So, write here 1 and 1 will be carry forward here. Now, I am going to add tens digit. In the tens digit, we have 5 and 2. If we add 5 and 2, we will get 7. And 1 is carry forward. So, you have to add 1 with 7. We will get 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. So, write here 8. That means 53 and 28 makes 81. Now student, I am going to show you our third example. In the third example, you have to add 29 and 13. Student, the process will be same. First you have to add ones digit and then tens digit. And in the ones digit, we have 9 and 3. 9 and 3 will make 12. So, write here 2 and 1 will be carry forward. So, now you have to add tens digit. And in the tens digit, we have 2 and 1. If we add 2 and 1, we will get 3. And you have to add carry forward 1 with 3. 3 and 1 makes 4. So, write here 4. Students, what we have get? We have get 42. That means if we add 29 and 13, we will get 42. Students, now I am going to explain you our last example. In the last example, you have to add 65 and 25. So, first you have to add ones digit, and in the ones digit we have 5 and 5. If we add 5 and 5, we will. So, write here 0 and 1 will be carry forward. Now, add the tens digit. In the tens digit, we have 6 and 2. If we add 6 and 2, we will get 8. And with 8, you have to add the carry forward 1. 8 and 1 makes 9. So, write here 9. So, we get 90. So, students, if we add 65 and 25, we will get 90. Students, I have shown you how to do the addition of two-digit number with carrying. I request all of you to practice these sums at home. But still, if you have any queries or doubts, please comment on our WhatsApp group. Till then, stay home, stay connected.